Hello everyone. So I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I immediately noticed these hanging in the, I guess where all the pans and baking stuff is. And they're such beautiful prints. I don't think I've ever seen them before. This is one Dollar Tree I don't come to enough, but I love visiting when I do. I wanted to share that they have these really nice glass jars, and these would be great, I think, for cookies as well. Has anyone gifted cookies in these? I think they're really pretty. And maybe even a smaller jar like this would work, and then you can put a pretty ribbon, tie a really nice Christmas ribbon. Fabric ribbon would be nice around these. This one's a little smaller, but if you have smaller treats. These are new glasses. They're so heavy. Quick glance over the plates. Some snowflake printed plates. And then you have your standard that we usually see, the red, the black, white. Now there's like marble as well that's out. Lots of mugs here. Oh, they have containers. I should take a look here. If you're making and storing baked goodies, containers are key, right? And good solid sealing ones, I think. Typically around this time of year, in January, you start to see more containers out for organization, but the bonuses are what's key. I've never tried these glue sticks. Has anyone tried the glitter glue sticks? Do they work well? These are like soft. These are wood. I love these little boxes. I customize them so many times. I've done embossing on them and they turn out beautiful, especially the square ones. And if I have like a gift card, I think they were a little wider. These ones are narrower. How pretty are these? So the flame, how does it look? If anyone has tried them, do they have a nice, warm, glowing tip, or is it like a weak light? They also have these with a timer, and you can paint the stand. Like if you don't like the gold, you can spray paint it or paint it with some acrylic paint. Make it black or whatever you need. These are a good value too. I mean, if you only need a couple, right? Little snowflake tea lights. They're really cute too. Came to the stationery aisle to see if they had any of the Southworth notebooks, but I don't see any. They do have some new sticky notes here though. And self-laminating sheets, which would be ideal if these were a lot bigger. Mailing labels, but I don't see. Oh, I'm actually going to grab one of these because finally I think I had got enough reviews saying that it was clear. They were clear sticky notes and they work well. I actually need some crystal clear tape, and I always find the jot line is pretty decent. I wouldn't really use it for mailing packages, like if you need to, because it's just small tape, of course, but you need packing tape. Something like this, right? This one's nice. It's nice and clear compared to the older style that's a bit more discolored. The end wall here, or the back wall I should say, is all of the pet goodies. I'll go down the cleaning aisle, I think. Scrubbing bubbles, Vim. So many cleaning products here. At least totally awesome. So this is new. I did buy the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but the spice one, I love coffee cake. And I think I'm going to grab some of these because I was going to dehydrate some marshmallows, but you know, it's going to end up being something I don't do if I don't buy these. So I found those dehydrated vegetables at another store a few weeks back and have not found it at any other store. I feel like this was expired already. Yep, it is expired. So you have to be so careful. Not good. Should be on markdown at least. I don't think we should be paying full price at Dollar Tree for things that are expired. And if I hadn't seen the Pepper Ridge before, I wouldn't even know. I'd just grab it, right? I feel like these might be part of the spring line. They're really light and airy, and they have some new scrunchies up here too. I don't think I've spotted these before. Very trendy. I always like to have things on hand, and I love these, but they're really sweet. If you haven't tried them, they're so delicious, but they're so sweet. They have the S cookies and chocolate, which is not very common, so I don't know if this is just out for Christmas, but I do need to get some Pocky, and I wanted to see if they had the Mother's Made cherry pie filling and apple pie filling, but I don't see any here. This is kind of newer. I think they usually have strawberry and vanilla. I don't know if I see hazelnut all the time. A little frustrated. So this is expired. I just grabbed a Pocky and I had to put it back. This one is good, but just be mindful when you're out there. I'm not impressed. Let's see if these ones are okay. Yeah, this one is good. Oh, they have new Ioni eyelashes. They've named them the cutest names. Cherry pie. So cute. Choco banana. Cupcakes. Very cute. Many of you have said the eyelashes by Ioni are really good, so I'm wondering, what about the rest of their products, like the lipsticks and lip glosses? Oh my goodness, look what's here. This product alone, I think, is like $16.99 at Shoppers. This one definitely is $19.99. This is crazy. Now I'm curious if there are any other really nice name brands or brand names. These are like a little glove. There used to be one that was just a cloth. Lots of sponges and different types of exfoliators, and this here's a hair towel, hair wrap. Well, this one is a washcloth, exfoliating washcloth. It may be good for the summer for your legs. I hear that these Faith in Nature body washes are available at Walmart. Does anyone have any feedback on these, and do they work for like lymphatic drainage? I'm curious. And they have some Valentine's Day things here. They haven't made it to the bottom shelf. They're way up high. It's on another little side end cap, and they're all foundations. Now they're really small. I used to they used to carry a Sassy and Chic like tinted moisturizer, and it was amazing. I love these little bows. Oh, you can do this for like your gingerbread themed if you're decorating an office or something next year. I think it's a little too late now, maybe. These are cute boxes. I actually grabbed one. I think it was a little bit bigger than this one. One lonesome red pink cup. Oh, these are new boxes to me. They're embossed. Very pretty detailing. Lots of boxes here as well. Anything specific that you've been putting in boxes that have worked out? They do have some decor still. I'm actually surprised at the amount of stuff they have left. These are so squishy. I think they would last a long time. They have a purple one here too. So these are like blending sponges, but they're just silicone type. This is a newer find. See? Day in, day out silicone makeup. Whoa, made by Eye Candy. What? Did you know this? Do you know if this is like super sticky, very shiny? This is something I could use. Now you can use it for your nails, of course, also in your craft room. They have these kits I've seen before. Now I'm going to be on the lookout. This is a top coat and a base coat. So many nail polishes. So some are newer than others, of course. There's also the cuticle gel pen. If anyone's tried it and like it, maybe give us some feedback, please. There's some cute bags. Open Me First. I haven't seen that one before. It's really up high. I love this clear box. I just wish that I could purchase it. I have some of these filler packages. I don't know if I need anything here. I know once Christmas is over, it'll be gone. This one's really pretty too for shakers. Beautiful wrap. I love this, the Merry Christmas print. It's really nice in real life. And then they have the red and the green. Some more options here, and they have some fabric bags and some large bags too here, and gorgeous bows and ribbon, and they're all almost, look at the size of these. This is so pretty. It's really large, but some of the bows are actually made of fabric. Then I'll leave you with a DIY. So this is a Dollar Tree placemat, and they are dual layered, and I'm using some freezer paper as a stencil for this DIY. I took a copyright-free image from Google, and I'm just tracing the deer. Now, if you have a cutting machine such as a Cricut or Silhouette, just cut it out on your cutting machine. That will save you a lot of time. I just wanted to share with you, for those who do not have the cutting machine, that you can make your very own stencil and your own very own decals, and it works so beautifully. It's like a sticker, so you just iron it without any steam, and I'm using Mod Podge. You can also use a dishwasher safe one that can go in the washing machine. However, I'm just using regular Mod Podge from Dollar Tree and mixing it with some glitter. Make sure you apply it with a really thick paste. It will come out super solid and amazing. It'll feel like vinyl has been applied to the placemat. I let it dry for 24 hours, and then as you can see, you just peel back the sticker right off of the fabric, and you have yourself a beautiful DIY. These I've washed in a cold cycle for 15 minutes a couple times, and they've held up so perfect because I had a couple outdoors as well, and they're so easy to make and really cost effective. You can use an old pillow for pillow fluffing, or you can just use some from IKEA. I don't think they cost any more than $2. I cut a little opening in the corner, and the vinyl actually kind of stuck to each other on the inside, the Mod Podge. So just stick your hand through and separate the two pieces of of the placemat, and I stuffed it really well all the way to the corners. Make sure you give it a good fluffing, otherwise then it's going to look like it's not filled nicely. You can sew it, you can stitch it, you can use iron-on no stitch, you can hot glue it. Again, I used hot glue, and when I've washed these in the cold cycle, they have not come undone. I've had some for outdoor picnics for years made this way and never had a problem. So that's it. Then I just snipped away any little rings, and I have a cute pillow. I also made one with my monogram. I used a V, again, really nice thick paste, and then it just dried. And here are my 2 Christmas pillows. Now they have a whole bunch of prints at Dollar Tree, so be inspired to use whatever fabric you love. I also will share with you how I use the little vinyl deer and snowflakes around my house for Christmas decorating. Just little accents here and there. I always think finish off your Christmas decor. And the gorgeous snowflakes that are from Dollar Tree that are flocked, they have a texture on them. So pretty with the lights in the tree at night. I love them. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so very much for watching, and thank you for allowing me to share with you. Until next time, bye for now.
Take you back in time. All of our neighbors' twinkling lights, all of our youthful eyes so bright. We'd never seen the sky so wide. And I just want that winter feeling. Very merry, happy holiday. Close your eyes, I wish it never goes away. All of our loved ones, and no one without one. Very merry, happy holiday to you. Do-do-do, da-da-da-da. And cinnamon heaven fills the air. I want the biggest cup to share. Somebody's playing Nat King Cole.